If you are struggling to obtain accurate occupancy reports, negatively impacting property utilization, the Hinawi system is the solution you need. No more exhausting site visits. It automates data posting between branches for quick account closing and offers unified reports to compare performance. Receive automatic reminders for dues to prevent payment delays and alerts before due dates to avoid missed payments, saving time and effort. Eliminates the need for monthly manual messages while keeping a complete log for communication tracking. Get alerts before lease expiry to avoid renewal delays and loss of clients, helping you stay ahead in property management. Identify the most profitable properties and analyze occupancy and profitability rates to improve performance and decision-making.